Mandwai block in West Tripura district has been conferred an award for excellence in public administration. We caught up with the district magistrate of West Tripura, ABHISHEK Singh, who received the award from Prime Minister Narendra Modi in capital New Delhi.
It was a proud moment for Abhishek Singh, the district magistrate of West Tripura district, as he received an award for excellence in public administration from Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi. His administrative skills have brought significant economic developments in Mandwai block of West Tripura, once a militant hotbed. In the last few years, he and his team has strengthened the banking infrastructure and made financial services available to every family in the block. We spoke to Abhishek on his endeavours to bring change.
We are quite fortunate that a tribal block in West Tripura district named Mandwai has been recognized as a national level for the initiative that was taken in the financial inclusion. The initiative was launched in 2012-13 as total financial inclusion to ensure that every family has at least one bank account, core banking solution bank accounts, so that they can get various benefits to the bank account directly. We have been taking a lot of initiative in the Northeast, and many of these initiatives are, I would say, at par with any mainland state, but they don't get the visibility. I remember in Dhalai we had taken another initiative when I was collector there on GIS-based nutrition surveillance system. Then we had one e-Janani scheme in the Mandai block only, where we ensured that 100% tracking of mother and child, and then it resulted in 100% institutional delivery and immunization. Similarly, our emphasis has been mainly in the social sector, in the health sector, and in the education sector to ensure that the quality of the services in Northeast are as good or better than even the mainland state. And we are focusing to ensure that all the citizen-centric services are delivered timely, judiciously, and that can be afforded by the concerned citizen. And with that, our next step is to use the technology for the e-governance projects, and we are working on that. In 1980, on a single day, more than 1,400 persons were killed because of the insurgency that time. And in 90s, whole Tripura and West Tripura district was affected by the insurgency. In that respect, I believe that development cannot go when we don't have the peace in the area. And in that respect, the work done by the state government, the way the peace has been ensured in the remotest and tribal areas, the way various tribal welfare schemes have been launched, it ensured that enabling environment in the Tripura, especially in the West Tripura district, and at the same time, the various development activities also took place. Normally we have schemes like central government schemes and the state schemes. And most of the central government schemes also, even if they are launched in Delhi, the state government have to implement it, and the field machinery has to implement it. In Tripura, we are quite fortunate to have a very dedicated machinery and a setup which has a political will to implement. And because of that, most of the central government schemes have been very successful in Tripura, right from MG and REGA to other central government schemes. When the senior ministers visit to the state, first thing, I would say the gap that was there between Northeast and the Delhi, that I would say is reduced. Second, a communication process is established at the highest level. And third, the issues of Northeast are flagged at the highest level so that it can be taken into account in the policy making and at various, I would say, implementation of the scheme. When the senior ministers are visiting, there has been quite enthusiasm in the Northeast, and I have seen personally in three number of visits in Agartala. The state government also responded very well, and they ensured that all the difficulties, challenges as well as opportunities are brought to the knowledge of the concerned minister, and also the potential that Northeast has. And I believe this kind of more and more visits, and then with the follow-up action, will ensure that 100% or optimum harnessing of the potential of the Northeast and mainstreaming of the Northeast to the main country India.